Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined. So guys, if you are facing this problem, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Now after that guys, you have to just simply tap on your profile, and after that simply tap on your sign in and security and wait some seconds. And from here guys, you have to just simply change your password from here, and after that go back and tap on payment and shipping and again wait some seconds. So guys, from here you have to just simply remove your payment method for one time, and after that again go back, and from here guys, you have to just simply sign out your Apple ID for one time. So guys, after sign out your Apple ID, again sign in your Apple ID, and from here guys simply add your payment method again, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.